Tired of your iPhone just being a fancy rectangle when it could be a communication powerhouse? In this 90-second guide, we're unlocking Twilio's potential right on your iOS device, making complex communication simple and mobile. First, head over to Twilio.com on your iPhone's browser and sign up for a free trial account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to provide an email address and create a password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Twilio dashboard. The two most important pieces of information here are your account Set and Auth token. Treat these like passwords and keep them safe. Now, you'll need a Twilio phone number to send and receive messages or make calls. Navigate to the Buy a Number section in your Twilio account. Choose a number that fits your needs, ideally one with SMS capabilities enabled. Note the pricing details before you confirm your purchase. To integrate Twilio with your iPhone, you'll typically use a third-party app or create a simple iOS application through Xcode. The specifics will depend on the app you use. Inside of the iOS app, you would use your account Set, Auth token and Twilio Number to authenticate and connect with the Twilio API. This allows the app to send SMS messages. After this is set up, you are able to send and receive messages. Your iPhone is now powered by Twilio. Dive into Twilio's extensive documentation to explore even more advanced features and integrations. Link in the description. And that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more bite-sized tech tutorials.